The joint inspection was conducted on the recommendation of the Division 22. So we conducted the inspection and we will submit the report to director.
Okay.
Department. Division 21, Division 22, PWD, Division 8, and Fire, Police, Disaster Management Cell, and DHS.
All fluorides to be
Dialysis unit we check kala.
Sorry?
Also the dialysis unit inspect kala.
Yeah, we inspected the dialysis unit and we inspected the RO plant and the lift area from where he has tapped the electricity.
Okay.
The direction will come from the director here because the agreement is signed at that level. So we will submit the report to the director and send it to the DHS.
अजाप म्हळ्यार इन्स्पेक्शन करतना डायलिसीस युनिटाचो इन्चार्ज नाशिल्लोच, डायलिसीस चालू आशिल्ली.
Then the dialysis was going on and the doctor was not there. Ideally when dialysis is going on the doctor has to be there. So we chose a time when the dialysis is open. Dialysis was going on when we went there.
Doctor was not. Doctora सांगितलं तुम्ही यातले म्हणून इन्स्पेक्शन तसं काय नाही.
No, some असतात नाही. It is a rule. There has to be a doctor on duty when it's going on.
No, you told doctor side.
Notice मी किती इश्यू केले डॉक्टर.
Sorry?
डॉक्टरांनी नोटीस मी किती इश्यू केली इन्स्पेक्शन बिकून.
डॉक्टर व्यंकटेशाक आमी फोनार गाठलो. तो खंय काणकोणा डायलिसीस सेंटराचेर आशिल्लो. तेन्नाच तो मडगांव येवंक भायर सरिल्लो. हॉस्पिसिओच्या ह्या सेक्शनाक उजो लागिल्लो तरी पूण दोतोर व्यंकटेशान डायलिसीस चालू दवरल्या. लायट कापली, जनरेटर लावंक गेल्यारूच पिडापीड. फाटले सप्तकभर पुलीस धरून सरकारी यंत्रणा ताच्या फाटल्यान हात धुवन लागिल्ली. ताणें पेशंटांक घेवन कोर्टान वचपाची तयारी केल्ली. आतां PWD आनी हेल्थाचें इन्स्पेक्शन जालां. प्रुडंटा खातीर साव्यो डायस.